You tried sending profiles to ActiveCampaign CRM, but they lack some data from their profiles pages. While some weren't sent at all and got to the failed list of the action. Why so? If you collect profiles to this action from an event page, post likers page, or LinkedIn search page, Link Helper scrapes only the information available in the profiles preview and nothing more, as it doesn't visit a profiles page directly. You can check this if you go to the queue of the action, open Profiles card, and see what data is available. Not much indeed. And some profiles failed because they lack email, and an email is a mandatory field for a contact. In Linked Helper, however, some data, including emails, can only be scraped via certain actions like visit and extract profiles, or via find profiles emails action. To address this issue, we need to make a few adjustments to the campaign workflow. Firstly, we'll add 2 additional actions. Visit and extract action to scrape all available information from the profiles pages, and then find profile emails action. Using the Link Helper email finder option, we'll find verified profile emails. Now we'll add the already processed profiles back to the queue of the campaign for reprocessing in the modified workflow. Go to the successful sublist of the Send Person to ActiveCampaign action, select all profiles, click Add to button, choose the same campaign and its queue. With the modified workflow, the campaign will start by visiting the profiles page, then extracting company page data, and attempting to find an email for each profile. Profiles with complete data will then be sent to ActiveCampaign CRM. Still, some profiles were not sent to the CRM due to the lack of an email, even though we processed them in the Find Profiles emails action. How come? There are several sources where emails come from. They can be found either under the Contacts tab, under third-party emails, or both. And if an email comes from the third-party source, it's not associated with the email in ActiveCampaign in default mapping. So, we need to adjust the mapping and try sending these profiles again. Add a new field and start typing third-party email in the Link Helper field. And for the CRM field, select Email. You can see that it's automatically marked as identifier. Save the settings and return to the failed list of the action. Select all profiles and click the Retry button. Now start the campaign again to send these profiles to ActiveCampaign, and they should be successfully processed this time. For better understanding of the ActiveCampaign integration, watch additional videos with expert settings guides and use case scenarios.